commandments. What? Man can't tell me nothing about this coke. Can't tell me nothing about this crack. This weed.
Back at it with another fishing video here with the one and only.
Sir, yes, sir.
One and only Gus.
Yes, sir.
And we gonna try it out, test these waters, see what we get.
Yep. Beats the rap.
Sigo aquí, ando varias noches sin dormir. Estoy pedo, no te voy a mentir. Le hablé a otra morrita al deducir que te perdí. Y ya no hay más cosas que contigo quiero hablar. Con otra piel yo te voy a olvidar. De mi mente yo te voy a sacar. Y ya nos verán pistear. Pura cadena gruesa y las plebitas son del Instagram. Diamantón llevo en mi Glock. Patek Philippe es mi reloj. Yo sé que tanto me costó. Y ahora navegamos por el ley. Pa' Sinaloa me voy también.
Yo, Gus, you caught some.
Niggas call me the provider.
First spot was a bust, I ain't gonna lie.
I ain't gonna lie.
First spot was a bust.
And I lost so many fucking worms.
I know you did.
Oh,
You got snagged up almost everywhere. I lost one.
The terrain was rough.
Yeah, there's hella rocks everywhere. Off to Walmart run.
Off to Walmart.
Ja.
Que ya me prometí no repetir. Y ya será muy tarde pa' cuando quieras más. Tú solita tienes que aceptar. En mis brazos ya no vas a estar. Y ya nos verán pistear. Pura cadena gruesa y las plebitas son del Instagram.
We saw some stuff, but where we want to fish is gated and private, so we can't, like private property, so we can't go there. We've tried around here, but so far no luck. We out here, spot number 3. I might have one currently, but I'm not too sure. Let me just look at the bite. What's up, Boo? How's it going for you? Dreadful for you? Hey, you provided a lot of sticks for the family though. Yeah, now they can start a fire with wet wood. I know, we just need the fish, man. That's what I'm talking about, Gus. Go, bring it all the way over there. Wait, hold on. Yeah.
Let him swim for a bit.
Yeah. That's the best course of action.
Where is he? He's still there?
Yeah. He's still there. He's in the corner. Yep. He looks like the freaking Pokemon. That shit, guys. Bring that shit. Fuck. It's in the Puchila way. No, you're good. You're good. Now bring it. Keep going that way. Yeah, to bring it up from there. But fuck, that shit's huge. That's PB for sure. Dude, I should get my freaking...
You scared?
My skill, yeah. You drag it all the way over there, I'll get my skill. Let's go. This place is not a dud. Like I said, always trust the rod intuition. Always trust. Let me just hop with this real quick. Yeah. He's right there. He's right there. You're chilling. He's what? He's unstuck. He's unstuck. You're good. I can't even see if I'm recording. Oh, there we go. Can you bring him up? Okay, you might have to record for this. Or do you want to grab him?
I can't. I can wait him. I'll grab him at the end. How big is bro?
Bro,
How big
I ain't
is
gonna
bro?
lie, he's 4 pounds.
He's a 4-pound bro. Now I can take your picture.
Oh, you got him pretty good.
Got him good, huh?
Alright, bro, what's your name in him?
Frederick.
Frederick? Alright, we gotta put Frederick back in. Put him back in, guys. Put him back in. Alright, don't throw him in. Put him in lightly. There you go. Nice release. There we go. Now he's gonna dive at a freaking machine.
Yeah.
So we got Angelita coming over. What is Angelita gonna do to you, Gus? Yeah, what are we gonna do to Angelita that we said to the fish gods?
Punch the shit out of him.
Yep. So fish gods, please let me catch a fish. I'm about to punch Angel, the one who did your catfish dirty. Please. Roll the clip. Roll the clip. Now that I roll the clip, look at him. Looking all innocent, but he doesn't know he's gonna get a punch from me on the right arm. You're gonna get the left arm. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yep. Randy grants. Dab up the water with. No. Hey Angel, have you caught anything? No?
Just your mom.
Fuck. That's not nice way. You're gonna fall in now. No.
Hey, bitch.
Oh, you want me to push him in?
Hey, I'll fall in, dude. You want to fall in love with your mom.
Damn. But now I'm gonna tell all your never mind, I can't say that here. Hold on, let me end this real quick.
You won't do it.
Fuck.
Look, dude, I know you're used to showing your dick to other men, way, but I'm not like that.
Fuck. ¿Qué tiene, güey?
Oh, chiquita cosita.
Oh, live. Caught one again. Gus, put the hook in its mouth or in the gill.
Oh, yeah, cosita. Oh, I think the thing is blind.
Yeah, it's the original one. Hurry. Don't be scared, sissy. I'm telling you, use the handle. Use the handle, way. Use the handle. No, he's not blind. He just had his eyes a certain way. Don't be scared. Slip your finger in.
No. Feels some type of way when not.
There we go.
Alright. Oh. No.
All right, we got
We got the runt.
the run to the family. Bitch. I told you to stay still. Look,
He's
man.
bleeding when you're killing him.
Look, man. Do you need me? Look, I will let you talk to all the carpas, wait. All the carpas, I swear. Let me take this out.
Quick intermission. Angel still fishing. Alright, you got the hook out?
Alrighty. This right here, this is Carpipi. 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 That's Carpipi. We gotta see how much.
About this bigger.
We're gonna see how much Carpipi weighs.
My guess is like 2 pounds.
I saw earlier it said like half. Insert inside. There we go. Half a pound.
Half a pound.
Not bad.
Not bad for Carpipi.
For Carpipi. Say goodbye to Carpipi, guys.
Bye, Carpipi.
Bye, Carpipi.
Bye, Carpipi. Throw that nigga. Throw that nigga. Throw that.
Fish gods.
Oh.
Time to go wash our hands.
I hope he fucking fall. And now you're gonna go wash his hands. Fuck yeah.
Stop recording.
No!
What happened, man?
Oh, I caught another one. Oh, and this one's bloody way.
Oh, shoot, lad.
This one's dying. It got on my pants way.
Hey, wait. I think you're on your monthly cycle.
Hey, wait, leave my cycle out of this.
Damn.
This one might die way.
Nah,
I tried to unhook it and it jumped.
this is messed up, man. Animal cruelty. No.
He did that shit himself. Yeah, shit.
Go ahead, unhook it.
I'm going. Hey, bitch, hey, he unhooked. Alright, I'm gonna take that over there.
Go
Yeah.
take him. Go take him. Don't be scared, laddie.
Oh, yes.
Bro!
Oh,
I told you, don't be scared. What's his name?
Kendrick.
Kendrick. You're free. Kendrick is now the freak. So I'm 3 for 5. Gus is 2 for 2. Angel is
0 for 1.
5. No, he's 0 for 5. You're like
0 for 2.
You're 0 for 5, bro. I ain't gonna lie. But anyways, so I don't know. My phone's at 9%, so this might be the last footage of the daily life of Rob. Deuces. Subscribe.
I'll be here to record still, just to record Robert's fuck ups.
So
And just always trying to suck my dick on a daily basis.
yeah, so the only thing Angel's gonna record is me and his mom, and Gus and well, Gus can't.
Well, the next footage you'll see is the Gustavo. Like, hey, this is my first thing.
Catch a fish, nigga.
I'm done saying stupid shit.
Yeah, so basically we're trying to leave, but Angel hasn't caught a fish, so and we're hungry, and Angel hasn't caught dinner for us yet, so.
Well, you keep letting go of the fucking fish.
Cap, I'm 3 for 5. You're 5 for 5.
You're 0 for 5. Trying to suck Caesar's dick.
Oh my god.
Alright.
Now you gotta kick it in there.
Fuck no. I give you Sir Lick a lot of puss.
Yes, sir.
Wick. Just like the Lick a lot of puss.
Wait, wasn't that Frederick? Oh, okay. No, yeah, lick a lot of puss. Yeah. Lick a lot of puss.
Wait.
Shit.
that guy who had my fish. Yeah, look at this now. Look at this now. Look at this big one. See this big one? Hey, Angel! Hey, Angel! Chupa, chupa, chupa!
Hey, yo!
Hey, yo is right. The things I'm about to do.
No, the fish guns, the fish guns.
Oh, never mind, the fish guns. Hey, bitch! Take me a picture.
Rob just caught a fish. Rob just caught a fish, and I'm giving him the weight.
I barely have him hooked.
Oh, it's this. I think it's the big one.
Get in by.
Angelita, time for your interview. How do you feel, Wade? How do you feel?
You know how I feel like?
That's crazy. But like, how do you feel that you both got the same fish? And
Well, you know, it was obvious that Robert's motives were more trying to sabotage me, so I can't do anything about a hater, you know. But, I mean, Robert's always trying to crab my style.
no, guys, no, amor y paz, guys. No, Angel. Rob, what was going on? What's going on? Fish?
So we out here in the Wild West. I got myself a perrito, a slush puppy, if you will. See that? You see that one right there?
Let it loose, let it loose. Oh, there it is. Oh, yeah.
Somebody bring the fucking scale.
Oh, Angel, go get the scale.
If it ain't 250, it ain't my lady. Hold on.
Low key, I think you can get this one. Nah, actually, let's just go back.
I look you can.
Oh, yeah, the fight of the century, Rob.
Don't wanna fuck. Nah, I don't wanna fuck it. Swim, bitch.
You don't want to do all the work for you? It died. Nah. It's good to know that there's still fish here, because I low-key thought this spot was dead.
Because how'd you get your stuck out of this shit?
I let him swim a little bit over. Loosen it up a bit. Loosen it up. No, as in. There you go. Then just guide him. Guide him.
You know what? I might be able to get him. Don't fight me, bitch.
Fucking fish is bored now.
I know. He.
It's like, what do I do now?
Fuck! No!
I should have went around.
I know.
It's fine. It's fine.
Because we know there's
My-
fish
my-
here now.
My luck, my what is it called? My
Yeah.
my curse is gone. The curse is
The
gone.
curse is lifted.
The curse is
Fucking
lifted.
curse. What the fuck are we gonna eat now, bitch? Way to go, asshole.
So, Angel and Rob have both the same fish hooked to the same.
Fuck! We both let him go.
No way! Oh my goodness! ¡Espérenme! ¡Me van a pegar, perro!
Whose was it? Was it mine?
It was
It
yours.
was yours.
It was that nigga's. This is fuck! Cause that shit fucking happened, dude. We catch the same fucking thing.
No.